You've added a movie, but data changes over time. Say La La Land's rating needs a bump, up to 8.1. You don't want to replace the whole movie. You just want to change one field. So how? UpdateOne takes two documents, a filter to find the movie and an update saying what to change. $set, rating, 8.1, and watch. It finds La La Land, and the rating flips from 8 to 8.1. Everything else untouched. $set means change these fields and leave all the rest alone. The report gives you two numbers worth reading: matched count, how many the filter found, and modified count, how many actually changed. Usually both are 1, but matched 1, modified 0, the value is already 8.1. Matched 0, your filter found nothing, and that is not an error. The update just quietly did nothing. And $set on a field that doesn't exist yet? It simply creates it. Give Parasite an Oscars field, and now Parasite has one, even though no other movie does. That's the schemaless coin again, both faces at once. Adding a field costs nothing, and now one document differs from its neighbors. One last thing. UpdateOne stops at the very first match, even if the filter would match several. That's the one in the name, the same safety as editing by ID. The version that changes many at once is coming up next.